minutes to an hour. This thing will be so hot that it will make the bottom of the pizza this perfect crisp. Guys, this is the cast Elegance pizza stone. We just used it again this weekend. I know it looks disgusting. Stay with me for a second. This is the 14-inch one, and it is about 5/8 of an inch thick and 6 pounds. What do I love about this thing? Everything. I love everything. We took pretty inexpensive pizzas for my son's birthday, $5 to $7 pizzas, and using this pizza stone, you just get this crispy, perfect pizza every single time. This is the pizza wheel that we cut it on. Once you take it off of here, I'll come back to this in a second. Take this. That way you get perfect pizza slices every single time. No kids arguing about who got a bigger slice. To put the pizza on and off, I use this, which is a pizza peel. I'll do a different review on this. The next time you want to go buy pizza, just buy this set instead. Make your own because you will have it forever. We've had these for 6 years. Why does it look like this? You cannot wash it. Just put water and it comes with a scraper. When it's done, you literally just scrape it off, rinse it with water, wipe it down with a cloth, leave it alone. It is gonna look like this. I purchased this because you don't wanna serve pizza on that. I'll just put it on here. It looks beautiful. A couple of things about this. I had a Pampered Chef one. Actually, I had 2 of them, but I kept cracking them. I can't say that it was the Pampered Chef stone so much as me not understanding how to properly use it. Hacks. Before you're gonna cook your pizza, what you wanna do is take this pizza stone. When it's cold, like it is wherever you store it, stick it in the oven. Turn your oven to 500 degrees. Wait 45 minutes to an hour. This thing will be so hot that it will make the bottom of the pizza this perfect crisp. Pizza does not taste the same unless it comes off of this. Put the pizza on this with the pizza peel that I just showed you. Pull it out with that. When you're done, when the pizza's done, turn off the oven. Leave this in the oven for all night if you have to. Let it come to a complete cool, then take it out. I cracked other ones trying to put it in and out of the oven. It would just shatter. This one we've had forever, and that's the only change that I made. It is made of kaolin cordylite clay. It is very heavy. It feels substantial, and it makes regular pizza taste gourmet. You can use it in the oven or on an outdoor grill. We always use ours in the oven. The only thing that I would say is that I don't love that it looks like this. Obviously, I mean, it shows its wear, which in some way is beautiful. You can make anything you want on here. Cakes, cookies, bread, whatever you want. We just use ours for pizza. The way that the pizza tastes is so incredible, and you don't have to worry about that. Put it on here, serve it on here. I always joke around with my kids and I tell them, when you get your first place, one of the first gifts that I will get you is this setup. You know how much people spend in their 20s on pizza? They could make their own pizza for nothing and have it just amazing. Anyway, I hope you guys found that helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.